Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can create an private story on your Snapchat account. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So obviously the first thing that you want to do is go over on Snapchat and take a picture of what you want to post on that certain private story that you want. So I'm just going to take a blank picture and I'm going to click on or press on send to. Once I've done this, you can see right here it gives me a list of a person that I can send a story to. What I need to do now is on the top right corner of my screen under new group, I'm going to click on private story. Here you should have a list of your friends that you have on Snapchat, and what you need to do is just select who you want to add to your private story. Once you've added those friends to your private story, the only thing left to do is give that private story a name and save it. And then you can just post the photo to that story. And that's all there is to it. And now you have a private story with your friends. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Cheers!